Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's ready to trade, give a good performance, take a high quality trade, and stay within the rules and guardrails. So let's get started. Let's get things open. I'll start with trading view this time. I got the background music to work. That's good. Okay, let's get you on the 1 day and 1 week. Start opening the rest of the things in the meantime. So yeah, I was thinking about this. It's like either we're gonna chop, sell off, or continue, and it looks like we're gonna continue. I mean, well, that's every day, right? I'm acting like that's something new. No, that's something the market can do anytime. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Let's get started. So yeah, we're honestly not that far away from the 200 EMA. I thought we would take some resistance here, but looks like we're gonna continue to push. We may get a little bit of consolidation around this area, very likely because we have, and we may have a little spike to the 200 EMA before that, but we could just trade in this area. This area will be the low. I mean, because theoretically we broke this low that we were respecting since September, and we went to test the low. We made a new low, but I mean, honestly, the reaction has been great. But if we come back here, I will be entering the range again. So that's like 89%. Is it? Wait. I'm gonna just take it from here because it's being annoying. But yeah, like a 1%, 1.20. So yeah, okay. And on NQ, we're already pretty much at that area. We got two EMAs in the way. So just a 20-day EMA. I don't think we're gonna take much of a reaction on it, but you have to still watch for it. And yeah, okay, that's really it. And I guess we can move to the 4 hour and 1 hour. So here from yesterday, we just we were holding the lows, made it like a double bottom, buyer stepped in, consolidated, pushed higher. Just when I left, I remember saying oh, this is probably gonna be a good momentum day. It was, but the momentum came we had two legs. Basically we had one leg and then we have a full retracement, and then buyers stepped in again to then play the 200 EMA on the 1 day and completely cross it. On NQ, it's a little bit different. We could potentially replay the 200 EMA. It is on the table, so to watch out for that. But we're pretty higher. I think we're above. I'll check with you guys, but we're basically above that value area from I was looking at when I was backtesting yesterday. Yeah, I'll just show you that when I get to 1 minute and 5 minute. Okay, so yeah, really, I mean, on the 4 hour, it's so clean. It's a bit too clean. Like wow. Really just like that double bottom, made a new low, consolidated and pushed, very clean. Overall, we've just been like, of course, like a little bit exhausted just because it looks like it's. I mean the price movement is dropping, but we are now testing this previous support, so you may take a little bit of a resistance or hesitation here, and then here is the same thing on ES. So it'll be interesting to see what happens here. We're above quite a bit of EMAs here, and the 200 EMA is still probably a bit of a distance higher. Yeah. Okay, so we'll see what happens, but overall, pretty bullish. I don't know how long this will last. If this is like something that, maybe it was the bottom. Um, we're gonna find that out together. Oh my God, I don't know. Like, so random. So the music was playing and now it's gone, just randomly. Okay, I don't know what to say about that. Just frustrating because why can I not just keep the application? Like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to like look into this. It's keeps happening. Test. Are you working? Yeah, it works. Okay, perfect. So we do have news today, which we need to look at. Okay, so these are just like hope that the market will close. Like it's basically expecting taco. So we had ADP at 8:15. The numbers, it's not updating here. Let me refresh it. Okay. Um, so now let's get to the 50 minute, 30 minute. So VIX has dropped to 24. It's just been grinding down. We're still high. The VIX is still high, but definitely not as high as it was. So yeah, I mean on the 4 hour it looks a lot cleaner, but like here you can kind of see like, we're moving. We had a little bit of a pullback, another pullback, another pullback. Like I guess this is around news. A little, yeah. Let me just let me just see the numbers. So 62. So it's higher. That's good. Core retail is higher. Uh, Retail sales is higher. We have PMI at 45. ISM at 10 a.m. And then Trump is speaking at 10 p.m. Or sorry, 9 p.m. Sorry. Okay, so let's get to the 1 minute, 5 minute. Just quickly log in. Maybe I just did something wrong. Okay. Oops. So yeah, like I was saying, okay, reset anyway. So I was looking, and we in NQ traded a little bit of yesterday's value area. We're taking support on yesterday's value area high, and oh, nice. We have another value area right here as well. If we continue higher, could be played, especially on ES. But yeah, and on ES, we actually opened above that valley area, so it'd be interesting to see if we can potentially have a pullback into it, maybe. Yeah, yeah, like really, we just almost tapped valley area high, and we just bias to control. We had a nice second leg, continue higher. Stopped here. Why did we stop here? Let's look at the higher time frame. Basically, it was just we front run the support we had, and sellers have just been taking advantage of that. Mm, I just realized, did I add IB from yesterday? I think I did. Yeah, but that was like that 12 p.m. move. Like these moves are not really tradable because it's just like you're just sitting there like it's chopping and all of a sudden boom. Yeah, no, I didn't. Yeah, I forgot to set up the stream and put IB. Definitely was not okay, whatever. Mm, mm, mm. This is Friday? How do we get to Friday? And why does it not already have a line if it's Friday? Sometimes I think they don't add the lines. Like I add them, but they don't add them. I don't know. Sometimes I genuinely think it doesn't do that. I feel like double check more often now. This is Monday. I was looking to for Tuesday. How did it get to Friday? Anyways, okay, we're good now. So we can see that like we did break down buyers are reacting here at value area high on ES, and on NQ it's that we're reacting to point of control. So nice jackknife with a low volume node print on ES. Get the bookmark here too. So yeah, we're slowing down a bit. Um, we did have news in 9:45. That's why I think we had jackknife. We're trying to break a Valley area high. If we do, a tap of a Valley area low is right here. See if it makes sense though. It does make sense. It's good work. Double pain, huh? Didn't love the setup. No, I'm just trying to avoid premature move too. I mean, it could play out, but I might just be late too. Hey Scott. It's pretty weak. It could break down. Yeah, thank you. Already happening. Buyer's like response was weak, but I mean they did end up to push. Right now it's I'm not trusting really the movement just because in your valley area, basically where the volume is most conducted. I almost took this trade, but I just didn't like the potential of it to be another like support. So I'm happy I avoided it. But it was a close call. Okay, buyers are coming again. Thank you. So that's a good reaction off view up. So it was a jackknife, another retest of view up. This candle about to close in 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Pretty decent close by buyers, but a jackknife off view up. Mm. Okay, buyers had a nice response there. We got news at in 4 minutes as well. Really just slowing down. Guess waiting for news. There's news. I can't take that trade because it's news. Good reaction. Oh, there it is. I mean, it didn't make sense to me. Too risky. But it's okay. It played out perfectly. This is low volume node. Another breakout. Not liking it because we already played view up on ES. Area flip too. Great. Definitely hard, but I definitely need to chill too. Feel like I'm trying too many options, um, which I'm not. Like, I'm noticing it, but I need to just chill on that. I'm just observing, yeah. I haven't taken a trade, but I have tried taking multiple attempts. Like tried to take a trade here. I didn't like the risk that I was gonna be taking, but the trade happened nicely, and I wanted to take the short, didn't work out, and I wanted to take this long, didn't work out. So I'm avoiding losses, which is great. But of course that first trade was a good option, but it was too risky, so you know. And now we finally did have that move that I was looking for, but again, like the moves are happening just in a way that I'm not really comfortable taking that trade with. Yeah. I don't even remember what my original edge was. Definitely slow. I mean, Monday has been slow. Tuesday was a good day, but like I said, I just took a trade. I needed more pain. And another thing I realized is that I was risking I was risking more than 10 points, then I moved to 10 points, and I should have kept it there because if I did, I would have avoided taking a loss and it would have been a winner. But at the end of the day, I'm happy that I tried to reduce risk, but it was kind of arbitrary. Yeah, so look at that reaction. Oh, liquidity higher too. Yes, that is the point. I want to take a trade, but I'm looking for a good opportunity that I can trust, and that makes sense to me. Another breakout, filling liquidity. The reaction here. Okay. Just gonna be patient. Monday, I sat for a long time and I took a trade that made sense to me, but again, like I need to let the market get more pain, so I have to be careful of that. And then yesterday it was a good trade, but simply I should have waited a little bit for the pain, but also just like the risk. I risked too little. I mean, I moved too quickly to reduce risk. Yeah, I could have bought this once or this like two times. Like really good reaction from my buyers here. Okay, another breakdown. This time I won't be like thinking to buy it because um I mean a third time unlikely. Don't want to take the risk. Yeah, front run probably yeah so far. I'd like to see another like a retracement back lower. So that's like the only acceleration. Like we, if we're gonna stay in this range, at least like start retracing back lower. If we do push higher, I mean it wouldn't be bad. It just we do have that wick. Is there some way to go? I don't think it's gonna happen in 15 minutes, but um definitely it's a magnet. It's a direction towards that. Okay, yeah. Here comes another push. Another problem with these trades is that we have the rip and then we have a pretty steep pullback and then we continue. It's fine, but just for a risk point, it's hard to trade that. Here's liquidity higher at 195, which is the high. I'm just basically play this because the liquidity present to 95. So we fill it and basically my loss will be a value area high. Want to see buyers stepping at the second leg. And got filled. Very likely to push to value area. It's gonna be a straight loss, unfortunately. Yeah, it's gonna. Yep, I already felt it. Just like so typical. Like it basically filled, and then I already knew it. It's a full loss. That's that's okay, but now we can see how big the loss will be with the full stomp out because I haven't taken a full stomp out for a while. Yeah, I mean theoretically, I mean it was a second leg. I like the idea, but again, could have been more patient, or could have just simply avoided that. But it looks like I'll get slipped on that too, and I'll look at that reaction. Like it's like you can argue I didn't give enough pain because now it's gonna happen, right? It gave the pain, like it's crazy because like I got in here, oh even more pain. Yeah, no, it's rough. It's not proper. Like yeah, it's not great. Um, but yeah, I mean, I just kind of wish that I don't know. I guess it's just that the moment I got in, I already knew it was gonna be a loss, which is not great because it's like you get filled in and then it just I know because it feels it basically touched the wick and then I pushed lower and like I was like I already felt that that was gonna touch a value area high and it did. Um, I don't know, but it is what it is. Like it's simply just a loss. Three losses in a row. These things happen. Definitely taking a pullback. Let's see how bad it is though. My question is like, okay, the only trade I really saw today was this one, and it was just like it didn't like it's on VWAP, but we closed weirdly. It doesn't make sense to me. I mean, there's really no trade that stood out, truly. And then yeah, it's getting hard right now. I gotta like honestly have no trade days because I've been taking losses. Like I mean, the first trade, okay, it played out, but it was choppy and it had to get double pain. And okay, yes, it was supposed to be right because a minute after I took the loss, it played out. In the second trade, I took too tight of a risk and it played out. But it's also I could be a little bit more patient with the entry too. And then today it was just a completely I was wrong. Yeah, so there it is. You can see like I got in here, so another, and it had another pain point, and then it finally broke out. It's like, yeah, it's hard, man. It's like not, I don't know. It is what it is, but I'm just trying to stay. I'm trying to survive, right? Like three losses, probably have two more losses. Hopefully, maybe one. I mean, hopefully two, but could be one. And I need to just survive this because I'm in a I'm in a little bit of a deep hole now. Um, but yeah, I mean, it's not like even the last. I took a three loss. I mean, it's normal. It's normal, but yeah, it's just about it's about like trying to find a high quality trade or just simply not taking a trade. Like, I mean, I was not completely upset with this trade, but I mean, theoretically. I mean, look how the market has been trading. Like, why do I think it's going to be that easy here? And then look at the pain it gave, and then more pain, and then it played out. Um, it's just challenging. It's truly challenging. Um, yeah, it's like it's making me have to think differently. It's like I saw this somewhere else too. Yeah, this trade too. Like we have these, the first leg, the second leg, and then we have a pullback, and then we have the move. So this is like the same structure here. And it's just like what the market is doing nowadays. So I have to like just adapt and just survive because I mean theoretically yes, like taking five losses is very normal, but I mean on my eval it's not normal. Like I can't be paying that price. So yeah, I'm gonna close this now. We have liquidity higher too, so let's see what happens. But I'm not gonna be present, but just letting you guys know. Okay, let us go here. Okay, so we're at 305. We're in a 5 grand drawdown, pretty large. So if that's the case, 1,300, 23. This is a $2,500 loss? No way. That's what it seems like, but I don't think it's gonna be exactly. Okay. I think okay, so the loss is 1,600. I think it's gonna be 1,800. I'm just gonna say 1,900 because knowing me, knowing my luck. 1,700. Slipped by just 1 point then. A little bit, yeah, 1 point. Okay, so and this is great. So we have around two losses. I think I'm gonna have to size down maybe. Yeah, cause yeah, cause it's like I have two losses, but it need to be 1,500 or I'm at trading 1,600. It won't be easy. Um, but it's rough. Like this past week. Uh, let's just look at today first. I mean, it's a full stomp out, $1,700. Slipped a bit as usual. It's very normal, like I expected. But yeah, this was an immediate loss. I got in and it was immediate loss. So I mean, I guess it's good that I already knew I was gonna lose. Maybe I should have reduced risk a bit at least. But I was like, the problem is in my head I was like from yesterday I reduced risk too early. So today I was like I should have reduced risk too early, and This today was I should have done it, but it is what it is, right? But 1700 pretty large. Over the this week we're down a total of 4 grand. Uh, so okay, yeah, 4 grand makes sense. Basically, yeah, that's gonna take like three base hits or two 20-point trades. But we're not like too far down. It's just that we're definitely needing to we're definitely needing to be careful. Like I need to lock in a no trade day because like theoretically Monday could have been avoided if I just like simply like it's choppy. Let me avoid it. Tuesday was a great day. I mean it was a good like the market was moving so you know. But then today again it was choppy. Like that trade was not best, and I need to get better at just sitting on my hands and not taking a trade and walking away because it's like the market is not getting any easier. And I need to survive this because the market will move again nicely, but I need to get through this. Um, but we're gonna draw down now 4 grand. That's not too bad though. It's not too bad. But it is a pretty large amount, and we need to really be careful now. That's the main goal, and just survive and make sure that we stay within it, and we can grab a win so that we can bounce back. Yeah, that's really it. I mean, I could afford another loss, but the thing is like, yeah, I can afford another loss. Oh, sorry, I can afford another loss, but excuse me. But the question is like, I mean, no, theoretically, yes, I can afford another loss, but 4 losses in a row is pretty rough. Um, but if it does happen, it does happen. It's not like tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to come in with the mindset I could lose again or I can win. Or I just don't take a trade or I take a break even. Like also adding to that, like I don't need to take a trade. Like it's okay. Like I need to really get that to me because if the market gets choppy like this, it's better that I just wait, and avoid taking these low quality setups because this was a C trade completely. I'm not proud of it. Like, yes, the second leg, yes, it made sense because of liquidity, but like, man, the market's not moving nicely. I wouldn't give it a C. I'll give it a B strategy wise, but execution, um, I'll give it a B too because the thing is, I don't think the trade was completely wrong. I just think that it was my it was my ability that I needed to adapt in that moment of time to be like, okay, the market is not moving nice. Let me be more careful and not take this trade. Because the move I was expecting, it was a lot cleaner than the market was actually moving. So yeah, we're gonna have to be really, really careful and just survive and come back. Like tomorrow, it's gonna be a no trade day or a high quality setup, or simply, that high quality setup could be a loser or winner. But the most important thing is that I'm aware that I can take a break. I mean, I don't have to trade, that I don't have to push, and that, I'm trying to take a high quality setup. That's basically it. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and take care.